Welcome to our YouTube channel. What is electrical injection molding machine? An electrical injection molding machine is a type of injection molding machine that uses electrical power to operate its main components, such as the injection unit, clamping unit, and control system. Unlike hydraulic injection molding machines, which use hydraulic power to operate their components, electrical injection molding machines use electrical power to operate their components. In an electrical injection molding machine, the plastic is melted and injected into a mold cavity using an electrical motor, rather than a hydraulic ram. This motor drives a screw or plunger to move the molten plastic from the injection unit into the mold cavity. The clamping force is also provided by an electrical motor, which drives a ball screw or other mechanism to close and open the mold. Electrical injection molding machines are often preferred over hydraulic machines for several reasons. First, they are generally more energy efficient than hydraulic machines, as they use less energy to operate their components. This can result in significant cost savings over the lifetime of the machine. Second, electrical injection molding machines can offer faster cycle times than hydraulic machines, as they can achieve higher speeds and accelerations. This can result in higher productivity and throughput for the injection molding process. Finally, electrical injection molding machines can offer greater precision and repeatability than hydraulic machines, as they can provide more precise control over the movement and pressure of the plastic during the injection process. However, electrical injection molding machines may be more expensive to purchase initially than hydraulic machines, and they may require a higher level of technical expertise to operate and maintain. Additionally, electrical machines may not be suitable for all types of injection molding applications, particularly those that require very high clamping forces. Injection molding machines rely on a number of electrical devices to operate. These devices include motors. Injection molding machines use a variety of motors to power different components of the machine. For example, the hydraulic system that powers the clamping unit typically uses a hydraulic motor, while the injection unit may use an electric motor or a hydraulic motor to power the screw. Heater bands. The plastic material used in injection molding must be heated to a specific temperature in order to flow properly. Heater bands are electrical devices that wrap around the barrel of the injection unit and provide heat to melt the plastic. Thermocouples. Thermocouples are sensors that measure the temperature of various components of the injection molding machine, including the barrel of the injection unit and the mold. This information is used to ensure that the temperature of the plastic material is within the required range. Limit switches. Limit switches are electrical devices that are used to detect the position of various components of the injection molding machine, such as the mold or the moving platen. This information is used to ensure that the machine operates safely and efficiently. Programmable logic controllers, PLCs. PLCs are electronic devices that are used to control and coordinate the operation of various components of the injection molding machine. They receive input from sensors and other devices, and use this information to control the operation of motors, valves, and other components. Human-machine interfaces, HMIs. HMIs are devices that allow operators to interact with the injection molding machine. They typically consist of a touchscreen display that provides information about the machine's operation, and allows operators to adjust settings and monitor performance. Overall, the electrical devices used in injection molding machines play a critical role in ensuring that the machine operates safely and efficiently, and that the final product meets the required specifications. Thanks for watching.